Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution, powered by the cutting-edge CRM module. In this video, we will guide you through creating a customer group in the CRM module to help you organize your customers efficiently. First, log into Parsimony and navigate to the CRM module by clicking on the CRM on the sidebar menu. Next, locate and click on the customer groups under the Master section to start creating a new customer group. Click on the Add Customer Group button to begin the process of creating a new customer group. Enter the name and a brief description of your customer group to distinguish it from others. Select Parent Customer Group. Tick Is Group if you would like to add sub-customer groups under this. Select Default Price List. Select Default Payment Terms Template. You can assign the credit limit and it will be automatically applied when a customer belonging to the customer group is selected in sales transactions like sales orders and sales invoices. Once you've filled in the details, click Save to create the customer group successfully. And just like that, you've created a customer group in Parsimony's CRM module. Organize your customers efficiently and streamline your operations with the powerful CRM module of Parsimony. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering Parsimony. Thank you for watching.